Did you know that Americans consume over 6 billion pounds of spaghetti every year? Behind every plate lies a fascinating production journey, where tradition meets cutting-edge technology. In this video, we're taking you inside one of the world's most advanced pasta factories to show you how durum wheat becomes perfectly shaped spaghetti. From grain to packaging, nothing is hidden and nothing is missed. The production of spaghetti is a remarkable blend of science and craftsmanship. Every year, millions of pounds of this beloved pasta make their way into kitchens across the United States. The process begins with durum wheat, chosen for its high protein content and strong gluten structure, which is stored in large silos upon arrival at the factory. Before entering production, the wheat undergoes a thorough cleaning process to remove impurities like stones, dirt, and foreign particles. Once cleaned, the wheat is transferred to the milling section. Here, it's processed into semolina, the coarse flour used in making pasta. This involves passing the grains through a series of rollers and sifters that gradually crush them, while separating the bran from the endosperm. Modern milling machines are highly automated, adjusting pressure and speed to ensure consistent quality. A final purification step ensures the semolina is free from any remaining impurities before moving forward. Next, the semolina is transported to the mixing area, where water and sometimes eggs are added to form dough. Industrial mixers capable of handling several tons at once combine these ingredients thoroughly. Precise control over moisture levels is essential to achieve the right consistency, especially for the extrusion stage. Some manufacturers also add vitamins and minerals during this phase to enhance nutritional value. Before shaping the dough into spaghetti, it's rolled into large sheets. This helps distribute moisture evenly, reduce air bubbles, and prepare the dough for efficient processing. These sheets are then fed into extrusion machines equipped with metal dies, plates with tiny holes, that shape the dough into long, thin strands. The material and design of these dies significantly affect the texture and cooking properties of the final product. Modern extrusion systems use real-time sensors and controls to maintain ideal pressure and temperature conditions. Once formed, the spaghetti strands move along conveyor belts or hanging racks designed to support their delicate structure without causing damage. The spaghetti is carefully suspended on automated racks that transport it through drying chambers. This method allows even airflow around each strand, ensuring uniform drying and preserving texture and firmness throughout the product. After drying, the spaghetti is cut to precise lengths using high-speed automated machines. Accuracy is crucial for both visual appeal and packaging efficiency. The strands are then moved to the packaging line, where robotic systems handle the process of weighing, grouping, and preparing portions for wrapping. Packaging machines gently wrap the pasta in plastic or cardboard materials. The system feeds, cuts, and seals the packaging automatically, ensuring secure and hygienic packaging. Labels containing weight, expiration dates, and nutritional information are printed and applied in real time to meet regulatory standards. Finished packages are then sent to automated boxing stations, where they are loaded into cartons. Robotic arms stack these boxes onto pallets, ready for shipping and distribution to retailers and warehouses worldwide. From wheat to packaged pasta, the entire spaghetti making process blends traditional methods with modern automation. This approach ensures high output while maintaining the taste, texture, and quality consumers expect. Whether you're enjoying a quick meal or a gourmet dish, every strand tells the story of innovation and craftsmanship. The result is a high-quality product that meets global expectations and satisfies millions of pasta lovers every day.